Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bill at Competition Cars. So today's July 5th. Hopefully everybody had a good 4th of July and nobody either drank too much or celebrated too much, and they're having a good day today. We're playing a little catch up here, so we're going to do a quick driving video on this 1931 Model A that's been fully restored. We just pulled it out of the shop. It's a little dusty, not too dusty, but a little bit. I want you guys to see the paint and the natural light. The truck has been completely restored from top to bottom. Disassembled every nut and bolt. So it's like going back to 1931 and getting a brand new Model A Ford pickup. And we are waiting on the key for this compartment. We're not sure what's in there, but we're going to find out soon enough. So check it out. Let's go for a ride and see what we got here. So those of you guys that are looking at this vehicle already know how to start it, okay? But for those of you that don't, you have a gas switch here. You switch that down, you turn that on. It doesn't really need to choke. It pretty much starts. There's your foot pedal. Horn works. This little mechanism here, I had to learn a lot about these vehicles. This controls your timing. So depending on how hot or cold the vehicle is, you adjust that timing. It does have a 5-speed transmission. It's been upgraded. I think it's board water. I believe it'll say in the Bring a Trailer auction. Can't remember off the top of my head, but it's been submitted, and I got pictures of all the numbers on everything, the engine, the transmission, all of that. So now you've heard me say on some of these old 70s cars, you won't win any races. Well, with this one here, you definitely won't win any races. I think top speed is what? Maybe 50, 55 miles an hour. So we're not going to go out on the highway, but we're going to go through all the gears so you see that it shifts good. This windshield kicks out for old school air conditioning, which is cool. And it's a very nice and very accurate restoration. Every nut and bolt on this thing was new. And it is a 2-owner. The first owner owned it for 73 years, which is amazing to me. They took it apart, had it restored, and then sold it to the client that I got it from, and he owned it for, I think, 15 years or so. I just want you to see that it does drive good. It goes down the road straight, stops good, steers good. You know, you got to drive the vehicle. Doesn't have power steering or power brakes. I like the fact that the transmission was upgraded to a 5-speed. That's nice. All the lights and stuff work like they should. Paint across to it, look how nice that paint is. It's just a really completely different feeling than any other thing I've ever driven before. So we're gonna go here and go through all the gears one time, and I'm not gonna get on the highway. We got a lot of traffic and they drive fast here. So there's first gear, second gear. First gear is kind of a granite gear. Third gear. Go around this curve. We don't want to go in it too fast. Well, you know what? We might as well go on the highway because we're just right here, right? So let's go ahead and take it on the highway. We'll get a little higher speed. Fourth gear. Love the horn. And fifth. So all the gears are good. It runs out, drives good, handles nice. I mean, for 1931, by 31 standards, it does. Again, this is like going back and getting a brand new 1931 Model A. Completely disassembled. Every nut and bolt is new. Let's go ahead and live dangerously and get this on the highway. You're going to see this video on YouTube. This vehicle will be live on Bring a Trailer in the next few days or so, probably early in the week. So check it out. Any questions, put them in the comment section and we'll answer as quick as we can. Thanks, guys.